my name's Bicana and I'm a freshman in college and I'm starting my vlogging lifestyle, I guess you'd say. I hope you guys enjoy, and it might be very sporadic, but hey, that's my life, right? When I'm driving home, I'll have like a lot of driving footages, maybe like you'll enjoy, and also I'll put some songs, like some beats that I make with my friends, and if you like it then I can link you up with them and then expect to see like a lot of my cool friends, because you know. There's something I'd like to mention. You're probably gonna see a lot of like inspired vlogging editing, because I watch like a lot of people like Jax Gap, Claire Marshall, I watch Claudia, Beyond Beauty Star TV. Oh, how I missed that name. But I watch Patricia, Shirley, and so I'm inspired by all of them, and like the little cute things that I see them do, like I fall in love with their videos because of that, and so I just wanted to incorporate that in my own videos. I also watch Sammy Maria, and I love her so much. But yeah, okay, let's get started. It's not supposed to be awkward.
It's not?
No.
Oh.
You guys just, you can move it around, you can record other people. Yeah.
Look at me, bitch. Look at you. You seen that vine?
Like, who is this in the background?
But you can't see my face, so therefore I ain't gonna show you my face. You feel me? You're just gonna see their faces. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
I think so. No, not that song. That Persian Rug shit.
Oh, I never heard that song. The first time I heard him
I don't want to be in it, I'm telling
was
you.
Me, You, Hennessy. Is this a video?
You can already hear them.
Ready? I can't hear you. Ready? Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas! Now let's go enjoy the festivities inside. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, it's really cute in here. Look at all this festivities. And they're making fake snow. I don't know if you can see the fake snow. Oh, there's the fake snow machine. That's cute. Now I'm in Target because I'm trying to find Darbs and everybody else because they were being fake and left me. So scavenger hunt, I guess. They have been spotted. Yep, that's them. Yep. Yep, those are my friends. Those are my friends. That's Darbs. Yep, you guessed it. Yes, that's her. Alright, hey guys, it's Bicana. I hope you enjoyed my vlog and expect to see many more.